Cap, is there any problem with the engine battery?
Oh, okay, the engine battery is how we know that if there's any problem. We look at here. You see the screen here? So we have a port side and starboard engine. So now it's showing 12.8 volts and 12.7 volts. So this is actually healthy, the voltage healthy. But it might not be means that it is working. So we have to switch on the engine. See, so after we switch on, you can see there's a sudden drop, then after that it comes back up. And you can see from here the starboard engine, right, is registering 13.1 volts. But the other side, the port side, is 12.7. So that means likely, right, this port side, it might not be charging. But we don't jump so fast conclusion that it might be the battery problem. It can be the alternator problem. It can be the wire from the alternator to the battery problem. So we always troubleshoot from first principles. So now we go and troubleshoot and see how is it. What's the voltage? 12.8. Okay, so just now we tested and the alternator is 12.8 volts. It's not going up to 13 point something. So that means we might have an alternator problem here. So to test whether the behavior applies to only the port side, we are going to test the voltage on the starboard engine as well. So now we are measuring the other starboard. Now is what?
Now is 12.8.
12.8. Okay, I'm going to switch on.
After switching on the engine, the alternator should be charging at least more than 13 volts.
So after we tested the engine voltage, actually it's quite obvious. For a healthy alternator, once we start, the voltage will go up, even to 13.9 volts, which is charging. The other side, the voltage doesn't go up. So the very likely is the alternator's fault. So the only thing to do now is to change the alternator to a new one and see whether this problem still exists or not. Then we will know that there is a real problem. So every time when we go out, especially for long distances, certain spare parts must be on board. Something like the alternator. We need to have a spare so that when things like this happen, we can change on the spot.